Hey guys, we're unboxing our newly bought refrigerator because the other one, the first one, it is damaged. Like the freon is damaged and the compressor. So we went to the Des Market and yesterday after the anniversary, and yeah, this is the only one left. Actually, this is not really my type, but we have no choice because what happened to the San Juanico Bridge. Yes, the issue there that not all vehicles can pass from Luzon to Visayas. So we have to wait for another month, and we can't bear with it because our business, like our meat shop, will get a suffer loss. And there's a possibility that our meat products will be will perish or will get damaged. So we decided to get this now. Yeah, because it's the only one left in so good. Yeah, the only one left item. Actually, this is the displayed item, but yeah, we decided to buy it, of course. So let me show you its compartments. This is a 10cc refrigerator, 10 cubic. Yeah, very taas, guys. Look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7 compartments. And this is auto defrost. Auto defrost, guys. It's very taas, and we got a stockpiles here. It's better because if, for example, we're gonna sell frozen goods like hot dogs here for the barbecue. Okay, suffer yan. So nice, guys. You like it, naknak? Ha? Ganan baka? Yes. Mana pa ni baguan ninjong gubon? Like it, Sasam? So, tulo na kabuk, guys. We have here our, upat na gyud. We have here our, the oldest one. This was bought last, I think 2016 or, sa tunga time. Then, this one, yung palit me, kinaguba lagi. Then, katong among chest type, yung freezer. Then, this one. Oh, daghan na kayo may napalit, guys. Kas na kayo nag-kuryente. Okay. Ganan ka, Sam?